Hello my dear students. In this video we will start with lesson 4. The Vedic civilization. The Vedas are the earliest literary composition in India. What are the speciality of Veda? It is the earliest literary composition in India. Veda means knowledge. What is the meaning of Veda? Veda means knowledge and it is the literary compost. Earliest literary composition. Veda, it is derived from Sanskrit. Vid. It means to know. Veda, the word derived from Sanskrit word vid and it means to know. 4 Vedas are there: Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. These are the 4 Vedas. Except these 4 Vedas, other literary works are there. Other literary compositions are there. We can call that Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads, Puranas and the epics. What are the epics? Ramayana and Mahabharata. They are called epics. Except the Vedas, other literary works are there. They are called Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads, Puranas and epics. We have 2 epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. In Indian history, the period 1500 BC and to 600 BC is called the Vedic age. 1500 BC to 600 BC. This period is called the Vedic age. And we will get the information from the Vedic literature. I told you the period between 1500 BC to 1600 BC, it is called the Vedic age, and we will get the information about this period we will get from the Vedic literature. In the Vedic age, the people, we will call them Aryans. They settled in the North India. The Aryans are so called. Why we are calling them like that? Because they spoke one of the several Aryan language that probably originated in Central Asia. India was named Bharatavarsha after the powerful Aryan tribe called Bharata. What are the name of the people, those who lived in the Vedic age? We will call them Aryans. They lived in the northern India. Why we will call them like that? They spoke Aryan language that probably originated in Central Asia. The Vedic age can be divided into the early Vedic period and the later Vedic period. The early Vedic period is between 1500 BC to 1000 BC and the later Vedic period is 1000 BC to 600 BC. And here we can see that the early Vedic period. The early Vedic people lived in the region called Sapta Sindhu. Sapta Sindhu. It was watered by 7 rivers. They lived in the banks of these rivers. So we will call them, or we will call Sapta Sindhu. Which are the rivers? Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj and Saraswati. They lived in the coast or in the banks of these rivers, and the early Vedic people lived in this region. It is called Sapta Sindhu. The early Vedic age is also called the Rig Vedic age. What is the another name of early Vedic age? Another name of early Vedic age is called Rigvedic age. Why? Because Rigveda is written or composed in this time. Rigveda, it is written in early Vedic period. So we will call this period is Rigvedic age. The Rigveda is a very valuable source of information on the early Vedic period. When we will read Rigveda, we will get many information related with early Vedic period. And it is a collection of 1028 hymns and prayers in praise of the gods. Initially, it was not in written form but was passed on orally, and knowledge passed on it was known as Shruti. In the initial time, there were no written form, and they passed these hymns in orally only. Okay, and knowledge passed on this way is known as Shruti. They passed knowledge in orally, and it is called Shruti. Okay, and what we have learned, children, in this lesson, we learned about Veda. It means knowledge. It is derived from the Sanskrit vid. Vid means to know. And 4 Vedas are there: Rig Veda, Yajur, Atharva, Sama. These are the 4 Vedas. Except these 4 Vedas, other written works are there, literary compositions are there. It is called Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads, the Puranas, and the epics. Epics are Ramayana and Mahabharata. And altogether, these entire literary works, we can say that Vedic literature. The people, those who lived in the Vedic period, we can call them Aryans. They lived in the north side of India. And why we call them like that? Because they spoke one of the several Aryan language, and they originated in Central Asia. Okay, and we discussed about the early Vedic period. The early Vedic period people, they lived in the banks of Saptasindhu. Saptasindhu means 7 rivers: Indus, Jalam, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj, and Saraswati. And another name of early Vedic period is called Rigvedic age, because in this period Rigveda was composed or written. Okay, these are the important points related with the Vedas and Vedic literature. Many small terms are there. All of you please read again and again. If you have any doubt about any word or any concept, you can ask me through the comment. Okay, thank you.